Hi, my name is Matthew Capel and I'm introducing electrical installations at Moulton College. I started working at Moulton College in 2018 as the head of construction, and I've worked in FE for over 10 years at various different colleges around the Midlands. Reasons to choose electrical installations at Moulton College: a high demand for skilled electricians in the area. So there's a lot of demand for electricians in the area. Lots of opportunities to work for yourself as well. So once you become a qualified electrician, you'll be able to work for yourself, self-employment, or working for a large contractor in the East Midlands. It is an industry in growth as well. So obviously with the introduction of more electric cars, there's going to be a lot more work based for electricians around the area. And obviously growth in renewable resources will see demand for electricians increase as well. Career opportunities: so you'd be a fully qualified electrician, you can go into solar engineering, domestic testing electrician, and a maintenance electrician working on large commercial buildings. Why study at Moulton College? At Moulton we have some of the best facilities in the area for construction, and we've got an amazing open campus which is like no other in the East Midlands. Excellent links with local and national employers, so we have employers coming to the college speaking to us about taking on young people for apprenticeships and jobs all of the time. So they'll be introduced to your tutor, and then hopefully they'll nominate you to get a job. Training will be delivered by fully trained staff that have worked in the electrical industry and also taught before. So it's really important that we have industry experts teaching you at Moulton College. Entry requirements for level 1 electrical are going to be 3s in maths and English, or level 1 functional skills in both. This is really important because we want you to have a good level of maths and English for coming into the course, because there is a lot of theory-based elements to this. So you'll be asked to do different sort of calculations throughout the course. And then obviously the questions and wording of your answers, we want you to have a good level of maths and English as well. So a study program. So level 1 electrical is a study program, so you'll do electrical as your main vocational area in that. You'll also do a tutorial with your teacher, and you'll also do maths and English as part of the study program. Work experience also comes into that as well. What you'll learn: so the structure of the construction industry, safe working practices, environmental and sustainability, site preparation, wiring and terminations, fabrication techniques, electrical science and technology. And then if you got 3s, you'd have to do your GCSEs again for maths and English. If you get 4s, you'll be asked to do some self-study elements of the course. Work placements. The work experience will form an essential part of your course. These placements will be checked for suitability by college staff and give you an idea of what electrical industry is like. You'll need to complete a minimum of 30 hours during the academic year, but it doesn't have to be with the same employer. So you could do a couple of hours with one and a couple of hours with another to give you a different experience. So it means you get a wide range of experiences throughout your work experience placement. Additional costs: so you'll need personal protective equipment, so a high-vis jacket and steel toe cap safety boots. You won't need to bring any tools. We'll have all the tools, but you are welcome to bring your own tools in, but you will need your own stationery items, so pen, pencils, rulers, calculators, notepad. Site visits and trips and shows which could incur cost. We'd ask you to pay for these. Your typical timetable: you will study both practical and theory units. These will have a range of assessment methods to complete, some of them practical, some of them theory. So you might do paper-based tests or a practical job that requires you to complete it in so many hours. Over the course of the week, you'll study 18 hours. This will be a mixture of practical, theory, maths and English, work-related study, and PBDW. Good to know: course tuition fees are fee for UK students under 19 years of age and students with an educational healthcare plan. UK students aged 19 and over will have to pay a tuition fee, as well as any materials, registration and exam fees. Some adult learners may be eligible for free tuition. Please contact us for more information. If you have any questions about the course, please enter them in the chat box, and one of my staff will be able to try and answer these as quick as possible for you. Thank you very much.